South Africa is expected to see slower growth in the third quarter of 2017. Stats SA will release the third quarter GDP estimates on Tuesday. Now, in the 3 months to the end of June, South Africa's and Africa's most industrialized economy grew by 2.5%. This is after it contracted by 0.6% in the first quarter and by 0.3% in the last quarter of 2016.
NCK African Economics forecasts growth in the third quarter to increase moderately by 1.6% compared to the 2.5% in the second quarter. On a year-on-year basis, growth is seen at 0.8% compared to 0.5% previously. All sectors except electricity and gas and water are forecast to contribute positively to the third quarter outcome. In the second quarter, leading the recovery was the agriculture sector, which expanded 33.6%. This is as it recovered from last year's drought. Mining, manufacturing and trade also registered growth. NCK African Economics says overall, 2017 is still forecast at 0.7% with marginal upside potential. This forecast is in line with that of the International Monetary Fund that has cut the country's economic growth outlook for this year from the original estimates of 1%. The group cited rising political uncertainty as the main factor behind the cut, stating that it has dented consumer and business confidence across the country. But growth is expected to rise up to 1.1% next year, slightly lower than an earlier forecast of 1.2%. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.